Herbs in Action. Reflections and stories from the Phipps Conservatory and Botanical Gardens Botany in Action Fellows discussing herbs from around the world.
My name's Alexa Wagner. I am a PhD candidate at Holden Arboretum and Case Western Reserve University, and I study plant ecology. Today I'm going to be talking about wild geranium, or Geranium maculatum, and it's a woodland flower. Wild geranium is commonly known as woodland geranium, spotted geranium, or cranesbill. Cranesbill because it has a slender seed pod that sort of resembles the bill of a crane. It's native to eastern United States and prefers somewhat wet areas in the forest. It's in the same family as the geraniums you may have in your potted yard plants or gardens. And like other geraniums, it has little stiff hairs on the underside of these palmately shaped leaves that sort of look like little green hands. The flower is a pinkish or rosy purple that really stands out and contrasts well with green understory vegetation of the forest. It blooms in early spring, summer, and I'm always really excited to see it after a long winter. It's sort of a nice pop of color. It's also considered by some to be an astringent or a substance that can help bind tissues or stop bleeding. And it's a great native plant for backyards in eastern United States that have sort of moist or well-drained shaded areas, and they can provide habitat for many pollinators like bees, flies, moths. And they grow in clumps when they're thriving, which make it a good replacement if after you remove like harmful invasive species like garlic mustard. Its color is really unique, and you don't typically see that color too often, so it's nice when you're surrounded by green to see a pop of pink in the forest.
Herbs in Action is a collaboration between Phipps Conservatory and Botanical Gardens and the Saturday Light Brigade, and is made possible by the Mary Jane Berger Memorial Foundation, dedicated to educating the community about the many benefits and uses of herbs. To hear this feature again, or to learn more about herbs from around the world, visit mjbergerfoundation.org.